Warehouse B ran out of stock. Nobody knew until the customer called. REVO IT B1 Ask, AI assistant for SAP Business One. 60 minutes cross-referencing stock levels and reorder points. For one answer. With B1 Ask, 30 seconds. Every shortage found. Just ask, what's running low? No training needed. Pick your agents and go. Type it like you'd ask a colleague. The AI handles the rest. Instantly, every item below minimum stock, all warehouses. Your data, visualized instantly. No formatting, no formulas. One click. The CSV lands. Excel ready. Imagine, every morning, low stock alerts already in your inbox. Quick follow-up, which warehouse needs attention most? Different angle, total stock value by warehouse at a glance. SQL, charts, exports, scheduling, and follow-up queries, all from one chat. See it with your own data at revoit.eu/b1ask.